Hi, I'm Lids. I love Excel, and this is a series where I show you easy things to do in Excel to level up your spreadsheet. Today, we're looking at conditional formatting. In this first example, I've got driver's license, and I want to highlight when a driver's license is expiring or close to expiring. So, what I'm going to do is highlight column B, come across to home in the ribbon, and then click on conditional formatting, highlight cells rule, and then a date containing. You've got a few drop downs here that you can select from. So the first one I'm going to do is this week, so anything that will expire in the next 7 days. Now I'm not loving any of those color combinations, so I'll come down to custom, click on fill and select a color. My top tip here is don't choose anything too bright as it can be hard on the eyes when you're looking at a spreadsheet with lots of bright colors. You can also come across to font and change the font color and then click OK. The next one I'll do is anything that's expiring. So again, click on conditional formatting, click on a date occurring, and then select anything that expired last month and choose your color combination and then click OK. Now, as a top tip, if it has expired more than a month ago, it won't come up in red with this method. If you'd like to know the method of how to get anything past a month old, comment below. In the next example, we're going to look at color coding different training statuses. You'll see first up that I've used the drop down that we looked at in the last video. This just makes this conditional formatting a little bit easier. So I'll come across to conditional formatting, select text occurring, and then I'm just going to type the word. So I'll do in progress first and select a yellow color and then click on OK. Next, I'll do completed. So again, conditional formatting, highlight cell, and then text confirming. Type in the word completed, and in this case, I'll choose the green fill. And lastly, I'll do the not started. So again, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, text that contains, and the word not started. And then I'll click on OK. The great thing with this method is that you can see as soon as you change the status, it changes the color as well. Comment below what you'd like to learn next.